Welcome back. I hope you're enjoying the crash course on CapCut PC for beginners. Well, let's get into this next video, and I'm going to be showing you how to add transitions into videos. Transitions are one very essential tool that gives your video that pop, that professionalism, and we can always add it to a video. So what I'm going to do, this video we worked on the last time, I'm just going to split some areas and then I'll add transitions to it. Sorry, I'll just do that for you guys to see. So let's do Control B or Command B if you're on Mac to ensure you split your scene. Okay, so let's do that. Control B. I'll just do that for some scene. You can also do right click and just do split scene. Okay, that's another one I'll show you later on in the video. It's going to split all these scenes for us. Okay, let me just cancel that, and just so that I don't waste your time, I'll make a full video on that later on in the course. So let's assume we already have these three parts in our videos. Okay, we already have these three parts and we want to add transitions to it. We can come over to the transition tab, which is here, and you have a lot of transitions you can choose from. Quite a lot to be honest, but I love the camera ones the more, this shakes and all. So I'll just add this one. Let me move over to this part. I'll just download this particular transition and just add it. Okay, so if I pick on that and I add it over here. Okay, so we have the transition there now. All right, I can also pick a different transition. Pick another one.
Today, I don't know. I really don't know.
So this part, and then let me just pick this white smoke effect. All right, so just pick this one, and then I can just add it to this part of the video. Now, if we go ahead and play it.
No, I really don't know who I'm going to meet today, but I'll be glad to help them. I'll be so glad to help them. Come along with me.
Okay, so that's it. Sorry if my system is lagging. It's kind of hot here, very hot to be honest, and I'm just trying to work with this. All right, so you can see, let's just see how it's split.
And I'm going to do something today. I'm going to go out and meet people and make their Christmas good. So I don't know who I'm going to see. I don't know who I'm going to meet today. I really don't know who I'm going to meet today, but I'll be glad to help them. I'll be so glad to help them. Come along with me.
So you see, that's just one transition. You can do it that way. It's fun. There are other ways you can do transitions, and I'm going to show you a very professional, this is just the basic way of doing transitions. I'm going to show you in the very next lecture how to do transition using keyframes. It's going to be effective. You're going to love it, trust me, and you're going to be shocked how good it's going to be looking. So let's go over and let me show you how to use keyframe to do transition on lecture 10. So see you on lecture 10 where I use keyframe for transition. You're going to love that video and watch to the end.